So in today's video, we're going to be attempting to sublimate on a Dollar Tree baseball cap. So if you want to see how it turned out, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do mostly sublimation videos as well as Cricut and sewing videos. So if any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family, and let's jump into this video. So for this project, you're going to need the hat from Dollar Tree. I picked a pink one. This was the lightest color I saw. And I'll try to have this link down below if I can find it online. But this is the barcode in case you need to look it up. You're also going to need your design, some heat tape, some butcher paper, and your heat press. That's all we're going to use for this project. Okay, so let's prep our hat. So I'm going to start off by lint rolling the hat. This hat kind of feels a little plasticky. I don't know how well this is going to work out. We shall see. So now I'm just going to put my design face down on here. This might be a little hard because of how this hat is. It doesn't have like good structure to it, you know. So we should take one piece of tape. So I just put one piece of tape at the top to kind of help me get at least part of it on here. This hat is gonna be hard to do unless you have like a hat press or something like that. It's going to be hard. So I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to go to the bottom of my design. I don't know if this is gonna work. This works for vinyl. I'm just making some slits, seeing if that's going to help it kind of, you know, just, I don't know, get in place better. It's gonna be hard to do. What did I get maybe if you had like adhesive spray, something like that. This is not gonna end well. I'm erasing. It's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard for sure. I was too ambitious with this one, but I really wanted to see if you can sub on it. I should have made my design smaller to test it out because, I don't know, I didn't think that it was going to be this difficult. My gosh. Okay, so now that I have it prepped, I'm going to use my Easy Press Mini to attempt to sub it on. So I just turned my Easy Press Mini to the highest setting, and that'll be good for sublimation. Okay, so my Easy Press Mini is warmed up. I have some fabric in the back, but maybe, okay. So I'm just gonna try to fill this up with some more fabric. Okay, so I just try to fill the inside of it with fabric because that's what I have in my craft room, and let's see if that's enough. Gives it a little more sturdiness. So I'm just gonna put some butcher paper over it, and then I'm gonna do it in sections. So I'm just gonna hold it and do it for 60 seconds and then move on all throughout the whole thing. And you can kind of just lift up your butcher paper and kind of see if there are any spots that kind of need you to repress, because you can see they're lighter than some of the other parts on the actual sublimation paper. You can kind of see through it. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see if you can sublimate on this. Yes, you can. And yes, it's hard as heck. Okay, so here's the thing, right? You can sub on it, which is really what we wanted to know. You can sub on it. You just have to get something to kind of flatten this out and make sure there's no wrinkles in it, because again, it's kind of like, I don't know, like it has cardboard or something in there. So if you can make sure that, if you can find a way to kind of even it out, you can sub on these. That was the main purpose, was to see if you can sub on it. Maybe try a smaller design so that you're not working with such a big area trying to sub on it. But if you have a hat press or something like that, it'll probably be easier, because you'll be able to kind of just even these lines out a little bit. So to answer the question, can you sublimate on it? Yes, you can, but it is a little tricky. So if you have any tips and tricks, please leave them in the comments down below for people. You definitely need to make everything super firm in the back somehow. Maybe putting like a cardboard or something like that, and then putting fabric to press on that. I'm not sure. Again, if you have a heat press, this probably wouldn't be a problem because it would flatten it out right. If you have like a hat press, let me know down below if you guys try this. Let me know any tips and tricks you learn. I will probably try this again because I really want to get this right. And thank you guys so much for supporting me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.